Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we will discuss how we can use solution to deploy Power Pages website from development to target environment. So first of all, you need to understand has introduced a new feature called as enhanced data model for Power Pages. First, you have to configure your environment as a uh, enhanced data model environment for Power Pages. Then you can do that. So go to the admin center, Power Platform admin center, select the environment and select the resources and Power Pages site. Here at the top, you'll see switch to enhanced data model, which is in preview, right? It is not globally available, but you can test it in your environment. Now you have to enable it if it is disabled. I have already enabled it. So now I can create a Power Pages website so that I can use a solution concept to package the Power Pages site inside my solution and deploy using export import. Now, once it is enabled, you will see it will install some support apps. And let us create a new Power Page website after the enhanced data model enabled. Give your site name and site address and click done so that it will create a new Power Page website and you can edit it later on, right? Next, once you have created Power Pages website, go to the solution and create a new solution. And here you will see in add existing option site. The site component will help you to add Power Pages website inside your solution. So click on add. Once you add, it will automatically add the Power Pages website and all its related components inside your solution, right? So these are the solution components which are already associated to 73 components which are part of my site, right? My website, Power Pages website. Now automatically the components are added to my solution, right? So no need to use any other component data move or record move components, right? So you can use solutions. If you have not enabled enhanced data model, you cannot see this site option in add existing component. Now you can click on the site you have selected and click on add required object so that any component or any object that is dependent on the website or Power Pages website will be automatically added to your solution, right? So currently it is 273 components. Now you can export this solution and import in target environment. Now go to the overview and export this. Now this is the website that has been created. Now you can click on edit. So let's do some customization or configuration in the Power Portal or Power Page website. First, let us make it from private to public so that users can, like public users can access this. Now, once it is enabled, now users can click on the set public. And now after some seconds, once it is saved as public, anybody can access your website public. Right. Now let us browse this and to test it if it is working fine or not once it is public. So go to pages and navigate to click on preview. You can change some content here. Let me change the company name and the heading of the page. Now here I can change the text or I can take help of the uh, Copilot to generate content. Let's say I want to, you can add some components also here if you want to add. Let's say I want to add a list here. So click on the list to display some set of records related to an entity. Right now, let's add a list and connect to the entity. Let's the entity is contact entity, for example. So search the list as contact. This is how you can place a list that is connected to a Dataverse entity. Choose a view, let's say all contact, and now it will display all contact information that is available in the Dataverse. Right now, you can save it and publish it. And the more action, if you want to change the record per page, you can change it. Just I am doing some random customizations and configurations. Right now, let us preview this to see. Now, in the meantime, you can go to the data to check which data is connected, and the data connected is table, contact table. And once it is done, you can click on synchronize configuration. If any changes has been done in portal management app or any uh, other websites that are changing the site components, you have to synchronize and click on preview. And preview will help you to load the latest changes that you have done with the Power Pages. So here, what we will do, we will go and try to let us go to the environment study. Let us go to the Power Page website and try to go to the Power Platform. Okay. And in the Power Platform, so let us go to the solution. Now I want to export the solution because I am confident that my Power Page website is added in my solution, and the changes that I have done is also part of the solution, right? So currently 273 components are there. Okay. Now I can add required objects. When you change anything, you always should click this add required objects, because currently it was 273, but when you change something, then it will increase the count. Now let us export it, and once you export it, choose managed solution so that you can roll back later on, and choose export. The export will help you to generate the exported version of managed solution of the solution that you are transferring or you are trying for deployment. Now save it in some folder of your choice. Now let us say I want to store on the desktop. So it is stored in the desktop. So now what we will do, once the solution is exported, I can go to the target environment. This is my target environment, and I can go to the solution, and in the solution I want to import the solution. But before importing the solution, you can check if the environment is enabled for enhanced model or not. If not, enable that. Go to resources and Power Pages website, and on the top you will see switch to enhanced data model. Enable it. It will take some couple of minutes to enable it. Then you can import the solution into your environment. If it's not working immediately, you can do twice. Now import the solution and go to browse. Once it is enhanced data model is success, import it. and click on next. Now the importing solution takes some time. You have to wait. Once it is success, you can go to the Power Platform Power Pages website in inactive websites. Because what happens when you import a solution that contains a Power Pages website, that creates as a inactive Power Pages website in the target environment. You have to reactivate that. Now go to the home in the target environment Power Pages screen and click on inactive sites. In the inactive sites, you will find your Power Pages website. You'll see that the first one is our Power Pages website. Now you have to reactivate this. So you have to reactivate, clicking reactivate button. Here you have to give a new website name of your choice and create a new website address for your UAT or production, because it is target environment, not necessarily the URL should be same with your development. So change your web address and click on done. And it will take some time to reactivating your Power Pages website. Right, it will take some couple of 4 minutes. Now, once it is done, you can make this, you can edit this web page, edit this Power Pages website in your target environment and mark it as public so that public users can also access this website. Okay, so let us wait till it is configured. Right, so let us refresh this Power Pages website. Now, once it is refreshed, you can see it is reactivated. Now, I can click on edit to make it public. Or if you want to change anything in the settings of the Power Pages website, you can click on Admin Center and change, edit the URL and check if the data model is enhanced or not. Right. So this check you need to perform for a for checking purposes. Right, here also you can check whether it is private or public, right? And you can change the website record association, and if you want to enable for early upgrade, you can enable it. Right? You can change the site URL also according to your need. Right? So this is the checking you need to perform, checklist you need to perform before you make this website as public. Right, you can change the URL address here also. Now let us change the, if you want to restart the website also, you can restart here in the site settings, which will stop for a moment, which will stop the website for a moment and reactivate on for public use. But here I want to mark it as public first because it is private by default when it is imported. Now set it as public. Now it will take some couple of seconds to make it as public so that we can click preview option to see how in live environment the Power Pages website will look like. Now preview this and it will load the press Power Pages website that is imported. It takes some couple of seconds because it loads the trace record from trace website from the solution. Now it is loaded. You see, guys, so the Power Pages website is loaded, but here you can see in the list it's not showing anything, any data in the list, right? Why it is not showing any data in the list? Because we have not created any contact record in the target environment, right? So let us create some record in the target environment, some contact records, and see how it works. And let me go to the Power Page website and Power Power App Maker portal and create some contact records. Okay. But before that, let us do one more changes to your developer environment Power Pages website. Okay, because next time when you import your solution, when you first imported solution, it will take the first content. But when you change anything next time, you have to import the solution again, which will load the latest data. Now let us do one thing. Let us create some contact records and see if it is showing or not. But you have to enable permission, table permission for the list that you are displaying on the Power Page. Right. So let us choose anonymous user. Anonymous user selection means anyone that navigates to your Power Pages website, they can see the records. Now close this and provide the read permission using the table permission. Now let us preview this, and this time it is expected that all the contact records will be displayed. Now you see the one record is displaying, but as we have only one record with no name, that's why it is not displaying. But you can go to the contact record and create a new record to see. So let's navigate to the contact entity. Now let us create a new contact. Let's keep some first name and last name. Now once the contact record is created, you can refresh the web page on the Power Pages website or Power Pages page so that it will display the contact records. The screen is a bit hang. Just wait. Now, once the contact record is created, you can go to your solution and refresh. Sorry, you can go to your Power Pages website and refresh the Power Page so that it will display the test data. So multiple times, if you change your Power Pages, you have to export and import multiple times, right? And it can preview the site so that it will load latest data. So I hope you understand how it works. You can now use the enhanced data model for packaging your Power Pages site inside a solution so that it will help you to export and import your Power Pages website in multiple environments. Thanks everyone watching for this video. See you next time. Bye.